Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux casserole. Okay, to continue our flavors for this corn maque choux with the fried chicken, we're going to add some green onion. And I like to use both the white and the green part. This is more oniony, and this adds a lot of flavor too, but color to it. So go ahead and just take those stems off and push those aside. And then just go ahead and run your knife right across. Said here's your white, and here's your little transition into the green part. I like the bolder flavor of green onions rather than chives for this type of a dish because it'll really stand up. Chives are also good, you know, they're the onion family, but they're a little milder in flavor, so I like to use those more as a sprinkling on top of things like baked potatoes and all. But this is what you want to do for your green onions.